Something truly massive is coming to the skies. And if the latest leaks and insider whispers are accurate, the DJI Avatar 3 could be the most revolutionary FPV drone ever created. A machine that merges raw FPV speed with true cinematic perfection. For months, the drone community has been buzzing with excitement as early images and details surfaced across Chinese social platforms. And what's becoming clear is that this next-generation Avatar isn't just a minor refresh. It's a complete redesign of the FPV experience. The bulky orange guards and thick protective shells that gave the Avatar 2 its distinctive look are gone, replaced by a leaner, sharper, and more aerodynamic frame, built entirely around precision flight and creative freedom. DJI seems to have overhauled the internal architecture too, shifting the battery toward the rear for improved balance and freeing the front for a brand new camera system, rumored to feature a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, a huge leap from the Avatar 2's smaller 1.3-inch unit. That means you can expect richer color science, deeper shadows, wider dynamic range, and dramatically better low-light performance. Imagine threading through a forest at sunset or diving between skyscrapers at night, capturing footage so smooth and cinematic that it feels like you're watching a Hollywood chase scene. This upgrade could make FPV filmmaking more accessible than ever for creators, YouTubers, and professional aerial cinematographers. The expected release timeline aligns with DJI's usual cycle, pointing toward a major announcement window between November 2025 and January 2026. So we might be only a few months away from the next big leap in drone technology. As for price, insiders suggest that the Avatar 3 will target the premium category, likely launching between $1,400 and $2,600 USD, depending on the bundle configuration. And considering everything these leaks promise, it might actually be worth every penny. Flight performance is also expected to reach new heights, with early testing hinting at up to 30 minutes of airborne endurance, a big improvement over the Avatar 2's roughly 23-minute runtime. Pair that with a more efficient aerodynamic shell, redesigned propellers, upgraded motors, and optimized power management, and you've got a drone capable of longer, faster, and more confident flights than any FPV before it. Stabilization could also get its biggest leap yet, with talk of a mechanical gimbal system joining forces with enhanced rock-steady and horizon-steady algorithms, ensuring buttery smooth footage even during wild flips, high G dives, or tight racing corners. Safety and intelligence features appear to be receiving a massive overhaul too, with full 360-degree obstacle avoidance rumored to be included, a first for DJI's FPV series, giving new pilots more confidence and experienced flyers the freedom to push the limits creatively without fear of accidental crashes. Coupled with potential AI-assisted flight modes, subject tracking, and the introduction of the DJI RC Motion 3 controller and DJI Goggles 3, the Avatar 3 aims to blur the line between pilot and machine, offering an experience that feels more like telepresence than remote control. For creators, this is where the excitement really builds. The combination of a larger sensor, longer flight time, and superior stabilization could transform the Avatar 3 into a genuine cinematic powerhouse. You're no longer just flying a drone. You're crafting cinematic shots mid-air with precision, depth, and emotion. Whether you're capturing travel vlogs, adrenaline-filled chase scenes, or atmospheric cityscapes, this drone could redefine how creative storytellers approach aerial content. DJI might even bring advanced color science similar to its Hasselblad-tuned cameras, offering true-to-life skin tones, film-like grading potential, and that soft cinematic roll-off creators crave. Add potential 6K or even 8K recording options, 10-bit D-Log M color, HDR capture, and improved bitrate handling, and suddenly the Avatar 3 isn't just an FPV drone, it's a portable aerial cinema rig. The aerodynamic redesign could also improve stability during high-speed descents and reduce turbulence, giving smoother output straight out of camera without heavy post-processing. DJI is clearly focused on merging the agility of FPV drones with the image quality of its Mavic and Inspire lines. The company's continuous push toward integrating AI flight algorithms may also result in new features like subject awareness, terrain mapping, and automatic repositioning for cinematic framing, something creators have wanted for years. When we combine that with the newly optimized battery placement and improved cooling system, it's easy to see why anticipation is so high. The upcoming DJI Avatar 3 could be the drone that finally bridges the gap between fast-paced FPV flying and professional cinematic storytelling. Its rumored 1-inch sensor alone would make it one of the best low-light performers in the category, giving content creators a real reason to upgrade. Even the rumored controller and goggles redesigns are worth attention. Lighter, more ergonomic hardware, improved latency, sharper displays, an expanded field of view could make the flying experience far more immersive than ever before. DJI's engineers seem to be taking every bit of community feedback from the Avatar 2 era and turning it into something extraordinary. With the integration of smarter obstacle sensing and potential real-time data overlays in the goggles, pilots could soon enjoy not only safer flight paths, but also a deeper creative connection with the environment around them. If these leaks prove accurate, the DJI Avatar 3 will not only push the FPV industry forward, but may also influence how other brands like Beta FPV, iFlight, or WalkSnail approach their next-generation FPV cameras. For DJI's ecosystem, this drone could sit right between the creative versatility of the Mavic 3 Pro and the thrilling performance of the original Avatar, offering the perfect balance between fun and filmmaking. For YouTubers and social media creators, this means ultra-smooth content straight from flight to edit without the need for complex stabilization or external cameras. The rumored compatibility with the new DJI Neo app and improved Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity could make transferring footage lightning fast, while built-in smart editing tools might automatically create highlight reels, ideal for vloggers or adventure creators on the move. In essence, DJI seems to be building not just a drone, but a storytelling platform, a flying camera that empowers both hobbyists and professionals to push boundaries. Considering DJI's track record of delivering what they tease, the Avatar 3 might indeed be the crown jewel of FPV filmmaking by early 2026. And even though pricing puts it in the premium tier, its combination of performance, flight stability, intelligent safety systems, mechanical gimbal technology, and cinematic image quality easily justify its cost for anyone serious about creative aerial content. As competition grows with brands like GoPro experimenting in stabilizer systems and Insta360 pushing modular innovation, DJI knows it must deliver something exceptional, and all signs point toward the Avatar 3 doing just that. So buckle up, because this drone could redefine what it means to capture motion, speed, and storytelling from the air. The future of FPV flight is almost here, and it's faster, smarter, safer, and more cinematic than ever. The DJI Avatar 3 isn't just another flying machine. It's shaping up to be a revolution for creators, filmmakers, and drone enthusiasts who want to see the world from a brand new perspective.